Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi mom and everybody. My name is Ahmad Wahyudi, majoring in animal husbandry in the class 3A. Well, here I will tell my story on the poultry husbandry, which is a chicken village. Animal husbandry is an activity of breeding and raising livestock to benefit from these activities. Many of the animals raised in my area include cows, chickens, and goats. However, I'm here to tell you about the poultry farm. Poultry such as chicken, duck, and goose. Poultry animals are raised for their flesh and egg. A sample of the livestock in my area is that of domestic poultry. Domestic chicken are among the varieties of chickens in Indonesia, which are usually cultivated in the low percentage of egg or poultry varieties. More commonly, domestic chickens are also not raised domesticated chickens, and not of the rest generated for commercial purpose. Domestic chickens normally breed and match and other domestic fowls. They perform marriage and lay eggs to breed. Unlike the breeding hens, the hens use certain substances to increase their number. As for the method of poultry farming vary from an extensive system that release free birds on the loose and only pens them in at night for safety, or semi-intensive system that keep the bird in large pens of fences that allow them to move, until the intensive system that keeps the bird in the checks. So concludes my story of experience. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.